update. I have taken a shower, did my skincare, changed, and I saw that I got an order. So a little backstory, because I realize I don't think I've mentioned this on my channel yet, but I do own two small businesses. The first one is a lash business called NK Cosmetics, and the second is a women's clothing line called Spirit Queen. Both of them you can find on my blog as well as on my Instagram as well. I am really thankful that I just jumped into that at the beginning of 2021, and it has been a journey to learn about the inner workings of a small business and how to really make it work. But anyways, I got a order in, so I'm going to packing an order so you can see how I pack an order for the lash business. So I bought a bulk order of poly mailer bags, small enough so that I can use them for the shipments, and they are the perfect size considering that the actual lashes are this big. These are the bigger ones. So I do sell the magnetic lashes as well as the traditional glue-on lashes. So this is the one that the person who ordered requested. It is called the Boss Babe. I have six different lashes, 3 of which are magnetic and the other 3 are the traditional glue-on lashes. I sell them on Etsy, and before Etsy I sold them as a vendor at a vendor pop-up in Oakland, California, and I did that for I think 3 months, and then I switched over to online sales exclusively through my Instagram as well as now on Etsy, which is just an easier way to house everything and to keep track of everything. So if you're interested, and if you know anyone who is interested in lashes, please go check out my Etsy website, and I hope to see some orders from you guys. So I have a roller thermal printer, which honestly saves so much time. If you are a small business owner, you definitely should invest in a roller thermal printer, or a thermal printer, because you are saving a bunch on ink and everything. But then also Rollo specifically is just a really great brand and has really good reviews. So I think it was almost $200, but honestly, for the longevity of your business, it's worth, again, investing in it. And so yeah, it's really easy to use and everything like that. So I printed the label. I'm not going to show you guys the address, but here is the label that I printed, and it's nice because it prints and then I have it on sticker paper, so you can just easily put it on here. This is a 4x, or I don't know how big this poly mailer bag is actually, but it's big enough for my shipment. So I'm just going to put that inside. And along with every order, the customer gets a little postcard really describing my business and all of the benefits to it, and kind of a backstory of why I started, and then my Instagram handles to connect with me on social. And I got this designed, and I absolutely love it, and I made the logo myself. And then everyone who orders also gets a free spoolie to brush out your lashes. So that is the order, and I will be going to drop this off at the post office because I totally forgot, but the post office stays open on Saturdays until 4, so might as well just go get this done. So here it is, and we're going to be off soon. A few other things while I'm here to share. I will be getting my, what's it called? My pepper mayo clothing order soon. I think it said I will get it today, which is super exciting. So I realized this got cut off in an earlier vlog that I did film and the footage deleted, which is so sad. It's happened before. Anyways, so it didn't even make it into a vlog, but I get to do monthly selects with Pepper Mayo, which is such a dream because it's such an amazing company. Founded in Australia, women's clothing store, huge presence on Instagram, I think almost 1 million followers. And they reached out to me back in like August or July to do a collaboration. So I've been getting to work with them, and so they're coming today and I'm so excited. So I will do an unboxing. Just because I think this video is already going to be super long, I think I'm just going to do a separate unboxing try on for you guys, because I am trying to keep my videos at around 10 minutes because I think that's just the perfect amount of time to have a video. Things before I head out. This morning was annoying because I was actually also supposed to have a dentist appointment. I've been having just the worst luck with my current dentist office for 2-3 years now, and honestly I should have switched a long time ago, but I just put it off. But today I felt like a real adult. Yes, I'm 27 years old, so yes, I am an adult, but the way I handled the situation I'm really proud of. How yes, I was upset, but I went on to Aetna, which is my insurance provider for my dentist, and found a new dentist practice to sign up with who was within my network, and made a new appointment, and now I have an appointment with a new dentist, and I did it all within an hour, and I'm really proud of that, on a Saturday also. So I will be going to the dentist in December, and it's crazy because I'm embarrassed by this, but I haven't gone to the dentist since September 23rd, 2020. You're supposed to go twice a year, so I haven't been in over a year, which is not okay. Again, it is because of the old dentist just not being very good at their customer service. They have canceled appointments and not rebooked me, and then I just forget, because you don't think about these things until they're an issue. Like my teeth have been fine, nothing has bothered me, so obviously I haven't been thinking about, oh, I need to go to the dentist. I don't think about it because everything seems fine. And then a whole year and a half goes by almost, and I'm just embarrassed by that. Anyways, I'm going in December, mid-December, so that's good. So just crisis averted. That's really all I have to say. But I am excited to finally go outside. Okay, let's go ship this order. Hello. Okay, so stepped outside. I'm on my way to the post office because I need to get this in before they close. I think they close in 2 hours, so not too bad. And it is such a nice day today. I'm just sad that I've been not feeling well because, gosh, it is like warm. It's like it's summer.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so...
It is so sunny. Like, this is one of the sunniest days. And it is so sunny, it looks so pretty outside. It feels good to just like breathe air, like outdoor air. I know I'm making that a big deal, but it is just so nice, and I'm so happy that even if it's a short walk, I get to be outside. I feel okay enough to walk outside. My voice is still like very raspy, but it is, wow, it is warm. This is not San Francisco. It is San Francisco, but it feels so much warmer, which is wild.
Oh, unchanging, not only green when summer's here, but Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging.